some of the stories I get to read and the scripts that are coming, I don't think even till 3 years back this could have been possible. I would love to perform with Jaideep Alawat. Uh, I would, whether it's a any kind of story. I think I'd learn so much.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned into peepingmoon.com. And what better time to start the rising star of 2021 with someone who's making all the hearts flutter? Literally, hypothetically, or just let's ask Sanjana Sangi that what her Dil says after the stupendous success of Dil Bechara and what she has in store for the audience and the fans in 2021. So Sanjana, just a quick one. Dil kya keh raha hai?
uh, दिल बहुत कुछ कहता है, बहुत कुछ कह रहा है, बट अभी दिल परफॉर्मेंस में लगा हुआ है एंड आई होप दैट हमेशा ऐसा ही हो. um been working constantly through Christmas, through New Year, and yeah, just in the thick of things right now, thick of telling stories.
Sanjana, an unconventional debut might not be the right word, but the road to and the one of the most unconventional debuts per se with Dil Bechara. What started with a child artist in Rockstar, uh, a very small, tiny, brief part in Fukre, and then to having a film release in the time of a pandemic when we were all not very sure what exactly are we watching. And yes, of course, marred by a certain set of tragedy, you came through thick and thin and shining, but it's not been an easy road. It's not something which any debutant would ever pick if given a chance per se. You braved it all. And today, when you're sitting here looking at your big Bollywood dream, how will you sum up? How was Sanjana's journey all these years along?
um my So like you said, Rockstar was when, I mean, it was now close to 11 years ago, and I was a little girl, and I'd grown up and lived school and lived college since then. But I was, Ankita, never one of those. I think just being from a regular family, being from Delhi, I hadn't ever had the guts, or just I hadn't visualized ever being a Bollywood actor, acting in films. I've also always been very, very nerdy, so I used to hide behind just feeling that no, this is definitely my path. I'm very, very academically oriented, so I thought yay hai. But I'm so glad that happened in my life at the time that it did, because that's when I realized how performing makes me just genuinely feel alive. And I feel like I'm the most there on when I'm performing. I'm never, all my energies are just thinking about that moment. And since Rockstar happened, it allowed me to live this semi professional actor's life through school, through college, where I wasn't living the same life as my friends exactly, because any audition that used to come my way, I would give, whether it's from the school canteen, whether it's from the chat of a friend's house. I would make my best friends, my mother, take auditions left, right, and center, because I just, it used to be that, if opportunities, if they're there, even if they're small, like you said, a small role in Fukre or a small role in Hindi medium, I never looked at it like that, because for me it was all big. It was, who am I to say what's small and what's not. And it used to give me the chance to meet people like Irfan, so be with people, perform with people like Ranbir. And that's what life is about like meeting new people, learning new things. So the fact that those small little steps got me here, I think I'm pretty proud of that journey.
Sanjana, when your debut film came out, what frankly, if I have to say, stood out for me, for you, was not the film, not the performance per se, but more than everything, you as a person. You single handedly had to brave so much. And when, as a journey of an actor, you start, this is one of the last of the worries. It's basically about, oh, it's my first film, my first red carpet, my first of everything. But you took the responsibility of putting across one of the most beautiful narratives on behalf of two people per se, if I have to say, you and your, even Sushant for that matter. uh, did you feel that suddenly you just grew up in a moment's time? It was literally like that, as we हम फिल्मों में कहते हैं एकदम से बड़े हो जाना. You actually grew up in that particular frame of those couple of weeks and months. And why I ask you is, you faced excessive heat. There were people who had to say things left, right, center. As we know, we have an open social media which always brings us forth the debates and the trolls. Does this bring the morale of an actor down when they are themselves at one space, maybe experiencing one of the bestest moments of their career? It's a dream coming true on a 70 and then there is so much to take, and you can take only so much.
Um, yeah, but it's these kinds of things. They force you to become more. They make you realize internal power a lot more. Uh, I'm an artist and I'm an actor because we tend to not be able to express what we want to express through our own words and in our own life, and that's why we use other people and other stories to do that. And it actually brought me closer to my purpose. It actually made me realize that art changes lives, and love is very, very powerful. Because I I when you say trolls or heat, like, I don't even, it doesn't even ring a bell in my mind, because in this world there's going to be everything. Always there's, one dish will have all ingredients, and you choose whether you want to have more mirchi or more sweet. That's your choice. So I've just been brought up in a way where mom and dad have just always told me that, uh, you know your purpose, and we I can't take the love I get for granted for even a second. I value it so much. uh I wish things maybe they could have been different, but now I don't have the energy to imagine or wish for different circumstances. And I'm glad I was able to do things the way I was able to do them, and I'm grateful for I've gotten so much in return.
Okay, quick trivia, Sanjana, if I have to ask you, what exactly made you sign Dil Bichara in the first place? Is there a fun story to it? Because what all I could find was, I couldn't find a fun story. I spoke to a couple of people, nobody exactly knew how Sanjana became the Dil Bichara leading face. Is it a fun story to it? Because Mukesh always has fun stories whenever he casts any of the actors for the leading faces.
um I mean, whether it's fun or not is for you to decide, but I can tell you the story. uh but Mukesh found me for Rockstar. He's
Yeah.
technically the reason how I got into acting is him. And he he for the first time in my life, I've just been used to auditioning and not knowing. You're given two scenes. You're given one scene. You're not told anything else about the script. But this was the first time in my life where he called me into his office. I was still in Delhi, and he said that एक film है, पढ़ ले. And I knew how much I've loved The Fault in Our Stars growing up, because he's known me growing up and he knew how obsessed I am. And I remember holding that script and reading the Indian adaptation of The Fault in Our Stars. That time it was called Kizzy or Manny. And the script said, read for Kizzy. I read it start to finish in, I think, under an hour and I just could, I was like hyper reading it and sobbing on the sofa. And it wasn't even, oh, will you do it? Can you do it? I didn't think I could do it. And then we did a bunch of screen tests and auditions, and it I still can't imagine that I played Hazel Grace Lancaster. It still shocks me.
So we can say it was just time. It was, as we say, you attract some roles towards you. This
You'd I definitely think so. And I when John Green kind of wrote to me, and that's when it starts feeling truly like destiny, you know.
that destiny definitely gave
Yeah.
us the brightest stars. We are not complaining, trust me.
Thank
All right. Sanjana, if I have to bring out 2021 in a manner where how it piqued my interest was when we saw your first look or a couple of pictures from the sets of Om. If you could talk us through what exactly this year holds for you, what it would be.
this year. um this year is looking frighteningly exciting for sure. What I can The only thing I can talk about right now is Om. We are thick in the middle of making the film. It's a blast. I absolutely love the team. Getting to work with Adi and Ahmad sir and Kapil is but mostly this genre. I never saw myself doing an out and out actioner, and that's when you realize that there's no boundaries in our craft. Uh, they Z and Ahmad sir saw in me what I couldn't have seen in myself, and I've pushed myself to train really hard to pick up a whole lot of action choreographies, learn weapon use, and do a lot of fun stuff. So I think, yeah, I'm doing this one for the fans and for them to enjoy it. I think they will.
So yeah, Sanjana's taking some serious butt for sure.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, tons.
Lovely. Uh, if in today's time I have to ask you, Sanjana, do you think this is the best time to make a debut or be an actor? Because the plethora of, I would say, the avenues is immense. Just not OTT per se, even any platform you call it, short films or you name it, you have it. Stories, the hero, and the content is only getting juicier. Like Vidya Balan
Yeah,
says, best time for the actresses per se, because it's no longer female lead. You are the lead, like
yeah.
it's you have the role written for you. Do you think it's probably you, it's like pinch myself, this is one of the best times I think you could make the debut?
I because I've I've spent 9-10 years just on the peripherals uh as a student, but working here, I didn't really get a handle on what it's like when you're a leading actor. But honestly, for me, the biggest moment of like confidence or feeling grateful was when I realized that a studio like Foxstar Studios can feel that a Sanjana who is completely from, you know, where like completely new, um, can pull off a part like Kizzy Basu, which is such an emotionally challenging part as an actor, where there are no frills, there's no blow dried hair, there's no fancy clothes, there's no makeup. And we want to make this film that tells that girl's story. To I knew while I was playing that I'm getting spoiled as an actor, because you just get to do so much, and it's rid of any frills. Um, and now to see the kind of stuff that we're making on OTT, the kind of actors that we have, I just think it feels like rainbows and butterflies right now. With like, it's just too exciting. Some of the stories I get to read and the scripts that are coming, I don't think even till 3 years back this could have been possible. So 100%, it's a phenomenal time to be an actor.
Lovely. Sanjana, shifting the mood, I have some fun questions for you, and trust me, there is only one rule: all your answers are only going to consider the newbies in the industry. So you can take all the young guns name, and if you ever get stuck, I'll give you a leverage to use a Hollywood youngster name, but no veterans, no senior stars, nothing. This is fun.
Where does the how young is young? Like,
How young is
what's the
you young?
cutoff?
How young is Sanjana young? How young is, maybe the max I could give you a limit is max is Alia. That's it. Nothing. You're not going
Oh
even beyond
damn.
that. Oh, yes, let's
Oh
wait.
god.
And this is all fun. This is all in a good spirit. So everyone is going to have a hearty laugh about it.
All right then.
Okay. Can I begin? The first one. Who's your latest celebrity crush from the current generation?
Uh Celebrity crush. Now this current like who is a tick off here?
See,
Um
I will fit in a Ishan for you, but I will rule out a Ranbir Kapoor if that makes anything easier.
what about
And for your
Adi?
benefit, I'll give you a Hollywood option open as well, so you can take Hollywood names, but not everything. I like a Bollywood answer from you, so I'll do this
But
again.
honestly, my current crush is Timothy Chalamet. Do you know? Yeah, I'm obsessed. I can't. Every interview has been watched. In Little Women, he was so phenomenal. I can't. Yeah,
So it's like ek tarfa pyar. Nice.
fully, fully till we turn it into Do Tarfa Pyar.
Oh, lovely. That is good. Okay, so if Sanjana has to kiss, hook up, marry, pick
Oh
three
God.
celebrities. Give me fun names. Come on, it's all fun.
Uh, oh, I can't. I can't. You have to give me options or like.
Okay, let me quickly think. Kiss, marry, hook up. Let's have Ishan, Vicky Kaushal for you, and because you're working with Aditya, so I'll give you Aditya. Come on.
Oh God. Um, Probably. I can't answer this. I'm too awkward to answer this.
Okay, fun.
No,
Okay, we'll
this
pass
is
this one.
skip.
Okay, let's skip. Okay, Sanjana's not answering this one for sure.
I
Okay,
can't even. Yeah, my brain isn't able to visualize anything.
okay, I'll skip this one. We'll not put you in that spot. Okay, if there is a newbie out there, who would you want to share some Bollywood gossip with? Who can be your gossip buddy? Who can be that person?
Um, so it would probably be Adarsh Gaurav, who's in the White Tiger. He's a very very dear friend, and we've known each other a long time. So with us, it's not really gossip, but it's just like checking in on what's up, you know.
That's nice. A newbie who looks like a snack.
Mm. I think Sid Chaturvedi looks like quite a snack. Yeah,
I like the answer. Okay,
yeah.
this one is funny. A newbie you wish who wasn't dating.
Oh, dang. That's only if we knew who is and who isn't dating. ये कैसे पता लगाएं अब?
हॉलीवुड चलते हैं चलो अगर बॉलीवुड नहीं रहना तो
uh, Honestly, as much as I love seeing Shawn Mendes and Camila's great love story, it also hurts me because he's just so cute. It's yeah,
Sanjana, you're in the wrong place. We need to have your love story across the shores. This is not happening in Bollywood. I'm telling you.
right, right. All of my desires and all of it's all yeah.
It definitely looks like. Okay, the cheesiest pickup line you would use on a co-star. It can be any co-star. If you would have to use.
Man, in the most non-pompous way, I'm just gonna say that I've been on the receiving end of these pickup lines. I've never had to crack them. So if I'm in a place where I have to maro a pickup line, I'm gonna walk away from that place because it better be getting marrowed on me. It's not gonna
Are, that
happen.
is so honest. This is so honest. Finally, someone said it. Someone is not being here diplomatic. I will get up the pickup lines for you. We'll see rest. Okay. If given a chance to make a debut in an OTT platform or an OTT series, an actor or an actress you would like to star opposite.
Oh wow. Um, I would love to perform with Jaideep Alawat. Uh, I would, whether it's a any kind of story. I think I'd learn so much. Yeah.
Always picking the best, huh? And the last one, who is the current generation star Sanjana Sanghi is secretly stalking?
Oh, damn. Now again, Firang names are coming to my mind.
Chalo, ek to Bollywood de do.
But
Let's have some fun.
but I do stalk. I've always said this, that like VD and Jackie's Instagrams give me a lot of calm and pleasure. Like it's just so much fun. Whenever I'm feeling like a grump, and I open VD's Instagram, like he's always done something funky and stupid to like make you laugh. So I really enjoy his Instagram.
Lovely. Thank you, Sanjana. This has been really fun. Thank you for opening up your heart. Thank you for having this. I think one of the few no filter conversations. You just told me everything you could, legit under the sun, shining through it. This has been
Yeah,
really,
literally.
really lovely. Thank you. And I wish
Thank you
21 is
so
just
much.
the beginning to something huge.
Thank you so much. Lots
Thank
more stories to tell.
Yes, thank you.
Yes.
Um,
Take care.
take care.